We've got a lovely Ranger here, just taken in part exchange on one of our new model Rangers. This is a 2022 on a 22 registration Ranger Wildtrak 2-litre EcoBlue automatic with a full deranged blackout conversion. Looks fantastic, this one. Company director owned from new. We've got two of these, both identical trucks, both available today. Metallic agate black. And these represent great value for money now. This one looks stunning. I'm going to show you all the extras this has got in the conversion. Full blackout kit, so black fog lamp surrounds, the deranged grille with the emblem there in the middle. Fully de-chromed, lower gloss black piece to the bonnet. Front bonnet guard. The deranged wing vents to the bumper corners there. Extended wide arches, colour coded with the exposed rivet look holes. Wheels, satin black, 18-inch BFGoodrich tyres. Gloss black side vents with the deranged Union Jack logos. Black side steps, wing mirrors, door handles. We've got window deflectors, black roof rails, privacy glass, and a big thing on this truck, as you can see, it's got the Truckman canopy on the rear. These are a very expensive thing to buy, about £2,000 colour coded. So to find a custom truck like this, ready to go with a tow bar, with a canopy, in this condition, there's not many about. Upgraded taillights on this one, so I'm just going to unlock it there. LEDs, black Ford badging, deranged logo to the tailgate. I'll open the canopy. Full load liners. Now these trucks have been owned by one of our previous customers. They have not been used as work vehicles as such. You can see in the back there that it is all lovely and clean. Lashing points in the back. These pop out windows to the side of the canopy. Little LED light at the top there. Privacy glass. So I'm going to show you inside. Full Wildtrak specification. This vehicle has done 37,000 miles. It's backed with a full Ford online service history record. We've got a print out of that. And on the Wildtrak you get full black leather, orange stitching, Wildtrak logos to the seats. They're a 10-speed automatic. Multifunction steering wheel, you get cruise control, switchable 4-wheel drive modes, rear diff lock. Heated seats, Apple CarPlay. Really good specification on these. Black headliner. Power folding mirrors. In the back, little fold down armrest. Domestic 3-pin socket down there with a 12 volt as well. In stock today. Vehicle is VAT qualifying. This is a commercial vehicle, so you can run this through your business, claim all the benefits of doing so, offset against your tax. Looks fantastic. So, supplied with a 15-month premium warranty. One owner. Full deranged conversion in the metallic black. Please give me a call, 0777 111 2040. Full listing on our website, www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thanks for watching.